my love, take a look at my soul, baby, you can't say. Too many problems, not enough solutions. Brain that makes you people think I'm lost and all delusional, and America loves it. Another sunken battleship, another stranded photo book with all my pictures plastered in it. I ain't got a pass, but still I'm walking like a free man, holding on to heaven while questioning while I feel dead. And this is something that I've tragically adapted to. Cellophane my heart to pull the knife out of my back from you, and God won't tell me if He wants me to live. Don't speak to me in the way you portray in your hymns. Don't breathe through me in the way that you say that you live. Don't treat me differently when Satan insists, and this is it. I gotta hold it to the grain, gotta breathe life into this desert I roam in shame. Wanna leave Christ's windowsill and leave from its pain, and paint one city block within my unedible fate. It goes, I can't taste it, taste it, taste it, taste it. Take a look at my life, take a look at my love, take a look at my soul, baby, you can't save me. You don't know there's an empty pot to piss in at the end of the road. Go, take a look at my life, take a look at my love, take a look at my pain, baby, you can't save me. You don't know there's an empty pot to piss in at the end of the road. And I can't taste it, cause it all gets lost. Can't register its meaning till I figure out its cause. So don't you look at me like just another feather falling from the wings of the angels sent to protect you. I'm tragic, and it all now shows. Blacking out before the rain comes and waking up so I try to pretend that I'm far from what's painfully close, and face the displacement of hating what I faithfully chose. But this is obvious, and that's exactly why you freeze when you crawl behind my eyelids and peep what I've been seeing. When you fall into your silence, I find out what they mean when they say that it's the quiet ones that always wanna scream. So hush, it's not about your words. Your force-fed holiness will only make it worse. Your lower drenched loneliness is scorching, it burns.